Two trades today. I locked profit in all my funded accounts and then took a losing trade. Let me show you exactly what happened. So I basically had two trades today. I had a winner and I had a loser. The key part about this for me is the winner, I ended up locking up profits in all my funded accounts, and then the losing trade I took was in a batch of 5 evaluation accounts. So again, even though I had a losing trade on the day, I'm still ending green across all the accounts except for those 5 evals. Let's get into the trades I took and show you exactly what I was seeing. So coming into the market this morning, there was something I noticed on Bookmap, and this was pre-market. This was at 9 a.m. It's 6 a.m. here, but I'm trading on the West Coast, Pacific Standard Time. So you can see here at 9 a.m. you had this sell iceberg come in here. That's 150, and then 400 orders on the sell side, is absorbed. So the buyers get absorbed here, and you can see this volume event. So this is a large volume event, and these are things I've been paying attention to. And what I wanted to pay attention to was the price, 775. I want to keep an eye on 7,775 and see what happens at this level as we come into the open. And as you can see here, as the sell iceberg came in, this kind of chopped sideways, we get another move down. Again, another sell iceberg comes in. New York open, we push higher, come back down after we take out some stops on the sell side. And as we come back down, you can see a buy iceberg come in. And now what I'm watching is, where's the CVD pre-market and where's the CVD now when this buy iceberg comes in? And you can see, even on the selling pressure back down to this low, the CVD now has risen. This is a good sign. I like to see stuff like this. And as you can see, we chop around here and you can see buy iceberg fire, telling me that buyers are stepping in even though sellers are trying to push this lower. And as this CVD rises, I'm looking at the trade. And what do we have here now on the chart? What is the chart telling me? Opening range sets. We're above the overnight VWAP. We're trading above previous day's point of control and previous day's value high. As we pull below, you can see previous day's New York line, this light blue line, is holding quite nice. And it's now created the opening range low. And as price chops around here, this is where I'm watching this CVD start to build and this price action come in with these buy icebergs here. And the buyers are definitely propping this up where the sellers are trying to get this lower. So are the sellers going to get exhausted and the buyers are going to take over? That's what I'm looking at. And as you can see here with our VTC indicator, you see the double break trade present and the signal fire. And as you see here, this yellow candle is going to be our entry signal, and it's going to signal for us to have a take profit at the opening range high, and our stop loss would be at the opening range low. For me, I have a little bit more discretion, and I'm looking at how this level is holding, and I could see wicks want to play into it. So again, we have structure to the left. I pull my stop a little bit lower. Soon as we break back above the New York VWAP, I enter the trade, sit in this trade for a few minutes, we push higher, and then this green candle is the signal for the exit. I had my take profit set up a little bit higher, thinking, if the buyers or sellers do get exhausted here and the buyers step in with any force, this is going to want to rip. Either way, comes back, take profit where I'm supposed to take profit, get out of the trade right here on this second candle. I traded this across 16 accounts. So I'm up 5K. It was anywhere between $500 on some of the accounts to 140 on some of the accounts on the multiplier. And I got to remember, even though this move happened, I'm content with this. And like I said, I locked up profits in all my funded accounts. And at the end of the day, that's the name of the game. Base hits is what's going to get me to that payout. It might not happen in the minimum amount of time, but it will definitely happen. And yeah, that's it. Payouts are payouts, right? So that's the first trade. That's locked up. That's done. But again, just using the indicator, double break, taking profits where I should, stop where it needs to be. Very easy trade. Not a lot of thought needs to go into this. The indicator paints everything for you. So here's the second trade I took. And this one, unfortunately, was a loser. But again, this is trading, and we got to be mindful of these things and just how we reflect on them. So the second trade, what was I seeing? We have price set a high a day up here, almost at 7,800, a key level. We pull back, find some support at the overnight daily VWAP. We bounce, we create another higher low. We're holding this VWAP. I like it. Higher high here. And we come back and pull. I take an entry here. Wanted to take an entry originally here, and I didn't because I wanted to wait to see some stuff happen on Bookmap. And I wanted to see as the CVD pulled back down here, as the CVD starts to pull up, I look to enter the trade. And again, you're seeing these buy icebergs fire. So they're telling me buyers are definitely holding this position. Where are we around? We're again around that price of 7,775. I enter long here, price chops around, buyers step back in, we get this move up. I could have looked to exit the trade there. I didn't. I was looking for the next leg up. And as price pulled back down here, we had news come in, a Trump tweet, something silly. You get this volatility. That's this stop hunt down here. These stops get taken. Price comes lower. I get stopped out of the trade. Again, My stop is where it needs to be. My stop is at opening range low at structure. I don't want to be looking to choke this thing out and have a stop in here, as anywhere from here to opening range low, with previous days New York VWAP being where it's going to be, I know we can form that higher low anywhere in here, and I got to be mindful of that. Again, news came in. I had a stop where it needed to be. I got stopped out. No big deal. I ended up taking this hit in 5 of my eval accounts. And what I did when I took this trade is I took the 16 accounts I'm trading, I took 11 of them off, I created a group of 5, and I traded those 5 accounts. So even on this loss, I end up red in these accounts. I went from having, I think it was a plus 240 day to a minus basically 240 day. No big deal, because now you can see up here with my trade sync P&L card, I was up 5K on the day. I'm still finishing up the day 2,600. And the key for this is this 2,600 is in all funded accounts. This loss that I took of the 500 times the 234 plus the 234 I was in profit, so let's call it 500. That I took was just in 5 accounts. And again, evaluation accounts, I'm pushing these as being a little bit more aggressive, looking for the trade, taking this second trade. And again, just seeing what I'm seeing on Bookmap, reading it well. I didn't know this was going to happen. This is trading. This is tweets. This is why you have your stop where you need to have it. So that's basically it. That covers my day. It's Monday. I'm starting the week green. I love it. Like I said, I took a small hit in some evals, 50K evals, no big deal, but the funded accounts have profit locked in them. The TOF instant funded Ignite accounts, I'm working towards getting that payout. I'll be taking another payout hopefully this week with Futures Elite, as I need one more trading day of 150 with them. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. You stayed all the way through, which goes to show me that you're taking this serious. So links are down below in the bio. You can check out Top 1 Futures, get the best deal across any of their accounts. Currently have a 60% off promotion, which is wild. The VTC Indicator, which you can see is what I use on screen. We had the double break update now, but that's going to be dropping a big sale for that next week, I believe on the 17th, which will be a promo for a lifetime membership. So that'll be a short time promo only. And then everything else, including Trade Syncer, the link is down below in the bio. So click, like, subscribe, the whole shebang. Thank you for sticking around. Stay tuned for the next one.